Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Claro, Diretso. And this Byahe Sender of the night is a bit special. Kasi nag-send siya, hindi ng problema, hindi ng kwento niya. Nag-send siya ng isang question. Isang question lang, but it speaks 1,000 experience. Ito, my love, I'm sure tatamaan ka sa tanong ni Kuya. This one is from Tropicana, Mendoza. Ganda naman ang pangalan nito. Nakakauhaw. So, eto na nga ang tanong ni Tropicana. Why do people still long for love, even if they know they'll get hurt? Bakit daw may mga tao pa ring nag-aasam at naghahanap ng pagmamahal kahit alam nilang pwede silang masaktan? Deep. Ang lalim. Ang lalim ng tanong, pero it makes you think as well. It makes me think as well na why do I keep on trying to end up in a relationship even when countless times na akong nasaktan because of doing it. Even when I know na nawawalan ako ng sabihin na natin ng pagmamahal sa sarili ko whenever I do fall in love. Kasi when I fall in love, I fall hard. That I know is true within myself na kapag nagmahal kapag nagmahal si DJ Lala Banderas, wala yan tinitira. Kasi laging nasa mentality ko, if hindi ko ibibigay yung lahat sa relationship na to, if hindi ko ibubuhos yung lahat ng pagmamahal na kaya ko with everything I've got, then I am not hoping for this relationship to last a lifetime. Gusto ko kasi kapag nagkaroon ako ng relationship, it will be my relationship until the end. It will end up sa wedding, it will end up sa me being with someone for the rest of my life. So if you were to ask me this question, which he did, na bakit nga daw ba may mga tao pa rin gusto at nag-aasam ng pagmamahal even when alam nilang masasaktan sila? Kasi my love, siguro despite the fact na alam mo na when you love someone, you risk yourself to being in so much pain. You risk yourself na masaktan ng sobra-sobra. You know well in fact na on the other side of that is also the hope of being happy. Truly happy. Tandaan nyo na aapektuhan lang naman kayo ng mga bagay at mga taong mahalaga sa buhay nyo eh. Those people that can hurt you are also the people that can make you happy. That's why people take risk. That's why may mga sumusugal na tao because they wanna be happy. They wanna feel in love. Nakakaano kasi yun eh, nakaka-addict yung feeling na in love ka sa isang tao. Nakaka-addict yung part na alam mong may purpose ka. Nakaka-addict yung part na alam mong may inspiration ka. May someone to look forward to ka seeing. Someone to look forward to spending your time with. Someone to share your future plans with. That is something na hindi mo matatantamount sa anything in life. Minsan nga, it doesn't even matter kung hindi grand yung dates ninyo, hindi magarbo yung surprises nyo sa isa't isa. Simple surprises, simple gestures of love makes you so much happy. Yun yung bagay na nagiging dahilan kung bakit ka sumusugal magmahal. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na the happiness you feel sa relationship na yon with someone will be a very special kind of happiness na hindi mo mapapalitan kahit saan man. That's the reason why we fall in love, even with the risk of being hurt, even with the risk of being in pain. My love, if it pains so much, ibig sabihin nun, it was real. If sobrang sakit niya, ibig sabihin nun, it's all worth it. So, kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na I don't regret anything na ipinakita ko, na dinanas ko, pinagdaanan ko with all of my exes. Sa totoo lang, I no longer hate any of them. I am thankful for them. Kasi I do remember na before nila ako sinaktan, before ako nasaktan ng dahil sa relationship ko sa kanila, once in my life, they made me the most happiest girl. Or the happiest, rather. Happiest girl in the world. And that feeling is surreal for me. That experience is something that I would want to do over and over again sa mga moment na kasama ko sila. Pero, ngayon, with my life right now, I think I'm more of thankful na pinagdaanan ko lahat ng pinagdaanan ko with them. Kasi at the end of it all, nasaktan man ako, iniwan man ako, pinagpalit man ako, iniba man yung mundo ko, giniba man yung mundo ko, dinurog man yung puso ko ng paulit-ulit. They made me the strong woman I am today. And that will never scare me to fall in love again. That will never stop me from falling in love again. Kasi I know that when I do fall in love, I am giving myself a chance to be happy. Yun yung dahilan, my love, as to why some people still do risk getting hurt by falling in love, by being with someone. Kasi alam nila sa mga sarili nila, binibigyan lang nila ng tsansa yung sarili nilang maging masaya. Klaro?